na adagye eniposo na osofo a odo do hwe nkitahodie ensem so onumunyamfo Sam.Ge0rge ene koko pieye ewo public account committee bedwa no anim na enkomodie no mu no ene onumunyamfo Abena Osei ya we committee ni titrani ebisa ne se MTN fo som Ghana afo enye de nye sompa enye kura network na wodan ho a na etwa nipa ne gina ohwena no ha Yaw3rgant adum
abuza for mamu nyina makwaba ediba Ghana nsem TV so one more so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no turn on notifications say be next time videos of this nature about so bit makabina so akire waje or comment section for them say munim dan if Mr. President be home be from Mr. President Agyeta o text me Mr. President or comment section Agyeta who see am TikTok na pa Mr. President Agyeta sa koye de o be bia agenda MPP so the munim the opposition. So we are trying our possible best. We use Ghana same TV channel also. They are what the new patriotic party Amenyokuno. They are about power 2028. Inshallah. Dr. Arr0gant president. Now also the power by Mbia so Selkebi. Na my kan yi they were John the money Muhammad the book at Neze Ebu die. Ya me ni amene am fa the Messiah Dr. Arr0gant ni amade na sase bebe fio. Na once again me catch Ghana mabunu nyina se amanyo sem ne yeye no. Dachinti ne ya manyo se menye print ne ya manyo se de wo ye bia no wo ye no wadwo se inti dachi bia no would you be proud of decision I will make here in politics? We shouldn't forget say politics no ya ma utumi say fa bedi manfo nanim ya ma utumi say fa be ye wo yi it is all your software o ye ordinary Ghanaian we educationist, we medical doctor, we once I have opportunity to serve public space, do it with due diligence, respect, and absolute clarity. And yes, I be a home bachelor.
Na adagye eniposo na osofo a odo do hwe nkitahodie ensem so onumunyamfo Sam.Ge0rge ene koko pieye ewo public account committee bedwa no anim na enkomodie no mu no ene onumunyamfo Abena Osei ya we committee ni titrani ebisa ne se MTN fo som Ghana afo enye de nye sompa enye kura network na wodan ho a na etwa nipa ne gina ohwena no ha Yaw3rgant adum chese data no so de yetia na yetie ade susu a service o mede ma no so enye papa eti die na minister no eya afa ho minister so minister tawo de nya asem bone kura we de unim de ama saa som bone no wo na ye ka ho asem ne se akohwie aban ko hwini ene ma saa niema we baaye se tamo mampene akufa do babetena akonwa so na nkohwe ye mra papa bi efa saa adwuma no ho a enkenye ne se wonu munya akwan a wo mo ebu Ghana fo ne so bia ntimi nka hwe nkire wo mo no nanso aban papa aba enti aban papa John Dramani Mahama ben baaye no watoto niema nyina masesia no MTN fo no musuro se de almost service no eye papa yo da so papa Partisan aban papa banti se bibia ye kama na no nyamfo Abena Osei be ka che nyamfo Sam.Ge0rge bema sa wo kasa bi ne ye mfa ma ha me kasa sa wa ha Abena jai Abena enye sa de no kra jai Abena me enye sa de no wa ha me na me wo fro a me kasa wo say minister train I say Abena kamikasa bo ahye me yem jai ma men kama sam sa wa ni e mo ho ne en ma me ye wa ha kra na dia no ayehye o ayehye papa wo public account committee asetina no ase na ebra sa engineer koto ye no e na onmunyamfo Abena Osei e ka say sa public account committee no e wo ho no enya nkwada agoro bi no omudi no ho e na enya se wo ba betena ho a na me de ni me se sa na mtie ntino ba be keka obo so asem no aso da bi enya ne sa emra ene yari adwuma e wo ho
tino bi say agenda 111 o master agenda 111 no agenda 111 emi yese minua akando wo ya o free rural constituency dwabo so wo hunu say ehu hia utie say bibi bia wo ye bia obetimi aye no pressure aban no amana twa konta just no mo ye agenda 111 no no mo complete but agenda 111 no nesa kufado and the friend and that's all agenda 111 because of what happened when you had the COVID you know the best expose you say say new hospitals facilities to tackle it, you know, okay, every district you should have a district hospital.
Out of 2 I would say 150. Pharmacy technicians, something 5. And 100 pharmacists.
Pharmacy technicians and pharmacists.
Now, I said, hospital. Be within 30 minutes. Not 30 minutes in the hospital be nearby.
Na it is what they compare niema ma nanado na se koka kan baby be dem ka sanya wa mo de attribution ni ma say wona wakoka o say uhu president bia aba Africa obetimi na toto nanado honda
o ene
ba cha ye wona wakan
me na me kai ene true me ba tio
kwame kuma nyina ba nyere ni ade
kwame kuma mba yo mo de
Africa
kwame kuma ene de ne ho obi ene de ba let me tell you, Nanado, Akufo-Addo, Eduma Oye no. Ebe take 100 years. Ama nipa ni bi atiase.
We take 100 years. Asana ya tena.
Asana bi mu atiase. Because you see, uko secondary school where
secondary college.
Secondary college. Cause secondary school hono, you will see Akufo-Addo footprint ho.
Basa kwame kuma na see you.
Dabi o, me so ko Akufo-Addo footprint ho. Then now be called we see dormitories, ne classrooms, additional classrooms, ne dormitories ho. Some ko but I can tell you. Item busa so ko school way. Obi so obi ko secondary school bia o krom hanom, to bi o ko ye bia. Unless we private school.
Tie bia mbo se bia prempe no money ade.
Ko prempe, you will see additional dormitories.
Tia mass.
Oko OT, you see additional dormitories and classrooms. You ko afia Kobi senior high, you see additional classrooms and dormitories. If you go to any secondary school, Arr0gant High, this is be omuni asase e DC e dan e be ye.
Ona anu kwa na be hu ba kon e wo event e akoma dan ho a full blown university a o masi.
Fantastic.
And that's a bit of
me can be here. People might think say me yeah.
Oh, you know.
Exactly. Now the power who say human capital is essential. It's very important. Say obi akọ school. Sure, obi ka you say ko school onyo oboni o. Wa yo ye. And when you say the baby needs come to school. Also, be a school, you say, be uncle free no. Won't but don't go free school no.
Well,
school no. Eh, man, Would you? Oh, you know, chairman them. Oh, some question, my man, what am I so any demand? Che, or be a so bianco school free no. And then see, we have to go and I say, run school no. Double track, gold, and then green. I just said any popcorn to some school, but no minister. That should tell you, say, now you waste your human resources. Because I can't be used a JHS no 14 years. 14 years, we need quite a receipt. Because BEC, you never receipt. So automatically, the life I ended.
Tinanadu ama.
Karabe Bremu school. Eti, Mikayo said the panel, why ya dear? A chain number tiasi. Okay? Ya mammy, Asantini. Asante for mammy for me shama. Asante for papa for omo and my omo fasi.
Yes,
eti asantini mami biano adwuna woni tim se ne ba e be si yi eti tama ye ko secondary school no ye mami mu ni skam de no mo ye no mo ton mo ntoma ye fa na afrete ne ntoma na wa yusu no abobo na de kono akoton no be da be twa school fees eti ye mami mo eti free SHS na se hwe mami bia obeka jo se free SHS nya papa no he bada a teacher, no, Asante for my phone.
SHS, enya the papa no.
Yes, Asante for my first na make on. Because Antini mami baby and the ba, echo school bia 1970, 1980, 1990. Almost sani manasi. Because adia yana sell mami wodum na ya pamu school fees. Na obeko na mami otete. But ne baby and the ba ma ba ko peno. On share my own say. Shall we say, am I be brave and school? Do I go say, am I be brave and school? Because let's can you fear eti ne ye hwa na diska na ma be man say ye ma be man ko school na oba ne ntino fie ekufo Dubai ne e ma e ko school ma me ko school. You see, these are some of the things that people don't want to hear. And when I say it, people say, "Oh, akwa we there, we am people." Nya bibi ni o. Me LPG. We are there na ya be catch us adia we ye.
Is it be an another bribe will be now more scaby. Bawa dear.
Da bi ona aso me kan no. E no kwa na say no correct. Aso me catch say e no kwa na say no. Say go for there to Obama. E go say to Obama ni biem ana. Ona go to Obama go for zia. Go say to Obama no. Ana me wa. Eti ne time atwa moko. But what ye name papa aboa me wo fast for. Me 3 years. Fortunately for me nyina me wo mo abuchi me nyina ko school abuchi. Me ba pia ni wo no ma ebe hia ne da.
Na me minimum dada.
Me ba pia no be hia ne da. Do you know why? The tia hia me ba pia da say me nyina me do ma wo mo abuchi. What I say it is ono ko anya adwuma ban be tia ne ka.
Well grounded.
Exactly na me ba no so wanya adwuma no so be on there osora obe leave obe free keke.
Eti yenhwe situation
ni 1 million coders na enmebunu na be register wie na would redirect you to Google. Sam.Ge0rge, where are the laptops? Where is the money? Because I do not want to believe that the Ghana today for the better abontin say what blow 10 million out of that can say what they are talking for supervisors or more supervisor the Google. Mr. Google ni ya driver the honum and what talk they are supervisors. You cannot tell me, Sam.Ge0rge, you cannot tell me say what the 10 million Ghana cedis in what talk and the supervisor so almost fan supervisor the so 50 million now was spent on the so-called supervisors. No, who are the supervisors, Sam.Ge0rge? Where are the so-called laptops now? What the bill Ghana? Me say laptop no. Ya bet na apisu ya who did this Sam.Ge0rge got a laptop abako. Aye 12,400. Sa laptop bi na obeto ye na wo so ana enso no. Da ba ko ye 12,400 Ghana cedis. That is how much I the bill ye. What if we chin ye dia comment social bisa me say, do have I got any proof? Fa we chin ye, eja comment section bisa me say question.
I said petrol aba for me. Aba no dia he is trying to put all these things down.
So why na man in cost?
What yes, aba into me show, who na akofa wa de. What yes say? And I know asema na ka say Pulican ayaba abama enyama na eba from no
anya aba no de.
Oh, unti dem yeken. Me say so what they buy be all spoke against say I was say ono mu hia ama ono mu hia but nanka we my no dwadifo no kyerem so omokọ efe ne say port wa ne ma no from kakra nyesa na omokan yes Partisan kan ma bo no eba from but yemu say won say public area na kwa my no omokọ fa ne ma ne ba omotete so ana abanu kreti another environment. But say individual entity near so aban ketimi petro ensi so
is right obisa me no me
so at the end of
what I say
he's also asking a legitimate idea
adentina sa niema we nyina ebi no aban na ye ne de ebi na say bonten so for no nya de ebi so the government should just sit down and allow it to say inflation beba 0.5
yes
na so and never not 2 years ago ni boy 8 cities no because the inflationary rate no.
But this is an AG who will come and bastardize people, pronounce people guilty because they know that the order has nothing. The order is a calculated attempt to tarnish the images of people. They are in their second year and they have not been able to prove a single case. You see, I have always maintained this and I've said it even to a fault, that if not for the NDC, nobody would have ever said a politician is corrupt in this country. Because before someone is accused of corruption, nobody is guilty until proven guilty by a competent court, right? Now, almost all the politicians who had been found guilty in this country are all NDC. All. From NDC 1, about 6 people went to jail. NDC 2, same. Even when Mahama came his first time, we had 6 people convicted.
But none from the MPP.
None. They will always use corruption as a bait and tell the people of this country that these people are corrupt. And they will use that to win elections. They did the same in 2008 with Fifi as propaganda secretary. Mentioning people. They mentioned a lot of people. They came, started 13 prosecutions and lost all. You remember Kosieji, former foreign affairs minister? You remember Asabi and his wife?